So this video, what I'm going to teach you guys how to do is literally how to generate leads for your digital marketing agency, okay? There is so many different ways that most people don't understand and simple things that you could do. Number one, what you're going to need is the old school way of doing it is what I usually suggest people is a pen and paper. Okay, number one, a pen and paper. And one of these notepads, I have tons of these all over my house because I'm always writing notes and taking notes and coming up with different ideas and things that I want to implement, things I want my team to do. But these pen and paper, okay? Number one, what you're going to do is you're going to number 1 to 100, okay? 1 to 100 on a piece of paper on one side, and you're going to probably have to do 2 lines of it, 1 to 100. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're going to pick your niche. So you're going to figure out what your niche is, whether it's restaurants, real estate agents, mortgage brokers, financial planners, spas, gyms, plumbers, air conditioning companies, HVAC companies over here in North America. Doesn't matter what it is, you're going to create that, okay? Pick your niche. Then what you're going to do is you're going to A, get on Google, or B, get on LinkedIn, and you're going to type in the niche, okay? And you're going to see and put in niche, and if it's Google, put in the niche and your city, and then you're going to go to page 2 of Google, and you're going to start writing down every single name. So you're going to write out the name, the email, and the phone number of the company that's on there on the piece of paper, because this is law of repetition. I'm going to ingrain this into your head, law of repetition that you're going to do, okay? Because now what you've done is you've built yourself a lead list. You're going to write down 100 names and numbers of businesses in your niche. There's nowhere possible, doesn't matter. Okay, if you live in a small town, I'm gonna bust this myth around. If you live in a small town in rural Canada or rural Australia or rural United States, you're going to find a bigger suburb next to you and a couple more bigger suburbs next to that one, and you're going to continue typing that into Google, and I guarantee you, in about an hour, you will have 100. Commit to yourself 1 hour to 2 hours today, right now, after watching this video. You're going to commit yourself and you're going to build a list of 100 businesses in your niche. Now, there is your lead list, okay? That is a lead list. It's a beginning. This is literally tried and true, simple steps, the things that most of you aren't willing to do because you're an analysis paralysis. You've read too many books. You've watched too many damn videos on YouTube. Make this the last video that you watch on YouTube and go and do something. Get off your butt and get out there and do something, because if you aren't willing to start, nobody can help you. I can't help you. No other YouTube person on here can help you. Gary Vee can't help you. Tai Lopez can't help you. Yes, you've seen, if you've come and you've seen this video from me being in Tai Lopez's program, you've seen the stuff that we teach there. But are you doing? Why are you not doing it? Okay, because you don't know where to get leads from. That's the reason why you're watching this, and I'm giving that to you. So that's number one. Number two, the old school ways, literally, of a thing called Yellow Pages, okay? I can guarantee you there's still places, I still get them in my door for some reason. I don't understand why I get them, because I use my computer for anything or my phone for everything. If you still have Yellow Pages around, literally go to the business section and you pick your niche again, and then you'll literally start scrolling and you will find lists of businesses that are there, because those people that are in the Yellow Pages are more than likely not doing very much online and are missing out. The amount of business that I closed in my first years of the agency just using the Yellow Pages alone, and I'd send them a lumpy mail package I'd rip it out because I'd just go get a stack of them and I'd rip it out, and I'd send that with them and saying you're missing out of the online world, because I'd take that and I'd print out a screenshot and send it to them in an envelope. Was insane. The amount of business that I got just doing that for my digital agency was wild. You guys wouldn't even believe, okay? Yes, I took my company from 0 to 10K a month using LinkedIn. Then I brought somebody on and we started doing lumpy mail, and that's how we just kept scaling from 10 to 20 to 40 to 50 to 60 to 80 to 100. And we just kept going using simple tactics that you're not willing to do, because all you want to do is consume the next video and consume the next piece of knowledge, because at the end of the day, action is only thing that's going to solve this problem. I've just taught you how to build a list of 100 businesses, okay? 100 businesses. Do you realize you need one of those businesses to close out of 100, you've got yourself a profitable digital agency for $0 and zero investment. All you had to do was Google your niche and put that in, and you could do the exact same thing on LinkedIn, and you could literally find 100 of them. I suggest Google because you could find their name, their email, their business. You could even, while you're doing that, you could take notes on what they could fix on their website, so you already have a reason to why you're calling them, and then you just start cold calling them or cold emailing them. But do one. Cold outreach is the fastest, most tried true. We do it today in our business to get new clients, and I look forward to seeing how literally all of this affects you guys in terms of starting your business. Now, what I want you to do is, number one, are you up for the challenge? because if you are up for the challenge on building 100 names on a piece of paper, taking it and writing down 1 to 100, the name of the company, the email, the phone number, and what they're missing, and do that over, take a picture, okay? Take a picture and send it to me on Instagram. My links, my Instagram bio and info is in the bio below. What I want you to do is I want you to, once it's finished, if it is finished, okay, and you can prove to me you've done 100 of these, comment below you've done 100, take a picture, send it to me on Instagram. My team and I will take a look at it, and for what we'll do is we will be picking one person a week to get a free call between now and I'm not sure when we're gonna stop this, but this is January of 2019, so this is a fresh video because we're doing a sprint to hold you guys accountable. So I need to give you guys an incentive on why you need to do this, and I want to give this back to you. So 0, okay, let's say this is January 2019, this is start fresh, new, brand new business for you. 0, you got 100 leads because I've showed you exactly how to do it today using a pen and paper in google.com, and then you're going to take a picture and send it to me. I look forward to seeing each and every single one of you sending me your pictures on Instagram. My team and I are going to respond back, and we're going to pick one person a week for as long as we need to, till it gets a little overwhelming probably, and we're going to give one person a week a free 30-minute phone call with me, and I'm going to literally break down your business and help you and figure out what you need to sell them, how you need to sell them, and what you need to say to them, and I'm going to give you all my tools and everything on that call. So, but what you have to do is, number one, you have to literally start right now, create that list of 100, take a picture, send it to me, like this video, and comment this video, because my team, when we pick the winners, we're gonna make sure that you guys have done all 3, because we want to work with people that take action and actually understand what it takes to get things going and can follow directions. So hopefully you guys can enjoy these videos. They're coming out pretty damn fast because I'm just going to record a bunch of them and try and get a massive sprint going. If you've literally liked this video, do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't. The first time you see me, welcome. Thank you for coming and watching this video, and share this content, guys. Share this content with your friends, your family, on Facebook, because this is the kind of stuff that I did that most people aren't willing to do, and it's the simple things, and I'm going to give you simple action-packed things that you can do daily in your business for you to transform your digital lifestyle, okay? I look forward to seeing you in the beaches of the world. Thank you.